According to NASA, Mars is an extraordinarily arid planet. 1,000 times drier than the driest parts of Chile's Atacama Desert, the driest place on Earth. Perseverance, the centerpiece of NASA's $2.7 billion Mars 2020 mission, landed inside the red planet's Jezero crater on February 18, 2021, marking the spacecraft's final descent to the red planet. After 8 months of hurtling through space, join us as we delve into some of Mars' most recent discoveries. Mars has a complex system unlike on Earth. To date, no evidence of past or present life on Mars has been discovered. The surface of Mars had liquid water and could have been habitable for microorganisms, but habitable conditions do not always indicate life. Researchers reported in March 2021 that a significant amount of water on ancient Mars remains on Mars, but for the most part has likely been sequestered into the planet's rocks and crust over the years, with an average temperature on Mars of about -80 degrees Fahrenheit. In contrast to the Earth, water covers approximately 71% of the Earth's surface. The Perseverance rover discovers evidence of an ancient river on Mars. According to scientists, the Jezero crater, a dry wind-scoured patch of Martian rock, where the rover landed in February, was once a lakebed fed by an ancient river with floods powerful enough to move boulders. On June 7, 2018, NASA announced that the Curiosity rover had discovered organic molecules in sedimentary rocks, dating back 3 billion years. The presence of organic molecules in rocks indicates that some of the building blocks for life were present. Organic carbon found in Mars rocks. Organic molecules are the building blocks of life, and they were discovered on Mars by the Sample Analysis at Mars instrument in several samples drilled from Mount Sharp and the surrounding plains after a lengthy search. NASA's Mars rover discovers active and ancient organic chemistry. Underground ice clathrates on Mars could be the source of methane detected intermittently in the atmosphere. Methane is constantly present in the air inside Gale crater, in such tiny quantities that it is barely detectable even by Mars' most sensitive instruments. Another issue is that humans may face health risks due to radiation. While studies have shown that the human body can withstand doses of up to 200 rads without permanent damage, prolonged exposure to the levels detected on Mars could result in a variety of health issues, including acute radiation sickness, an increased risk of cancer, genetic damage, and even death. For the time being, human survival on Mars would necessitate living in artificial Mars habitats, equipped with complex life support systems. Water treatment systems would be a major element of this. A human being primarily composed of water, would perish in a matter of days without it. But most importantly, sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and carbon have been discovered to be key ingredients required for life in the drilled powder sample. Thanks for watching. Tell us in the comment what's your thoughts of this recent discoveries on Mars, and what's the long-term impact of a prolonged life. See you next time.